Today, can you introduce yourself first?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Hold the
My name
microphone.
is
Microphone.
okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Lorena Natividad, 25 years old from Aurora, Isabela. I'm happily married and blessed three children, 8 years old, 4 years old, and 3 years old. My husband is Marby Checker. My father is a farmer. My mother is housewife. I have three brothers and one sister, and I am a Christian. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have experience here in the Philippines for 2 years since June 6, 2018 to June 6, 2020. I serve four members of the family, such as one couple and two children, 5 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My main duties is taking care of children during laundry, cooking Filipino foods, marketing, and gardening and maintaining the cleanliness of the house.
Okay, so it's your first time to work abroad,
Yes,
right? You want?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. You have three kids, is it? How many kids you have?
Three, ma'am.
Three kids.
Three
Okay.
daughters, ma'am.
Three daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
See, how old are they now?
8
How
years
old?
old, 4 years old, and 3 years old, ma'am.
If you come Hong Kong, who will take care of the kid?
My mother and then my husband, ma'am. And
Oh,
also my in-laws, ma'am.
oh, I see. Um, so because you have three kids, you have experience of taking care of toddler, right? What will you
Yes,
do
ma'am.
if they argue with each other or fighting with each other? What will you do?
Um, I
Like fighting.
can I can say stop, mom, and I say calm. They when they fighting, mom.
I see. And what will you do if the kid not feeling well?
I can check the temperature, mom,
Mm-hmm.
and also I can give I wipes the face and
Mm-hmm.
also the body, mom.
Body, okay. Okay. For the medicine, will you just give by yourself or you will ask your employer first?
Ma'am,
For the medicine, will you just give the kid by yourself or you will ask employer first?
mm, I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, to provide my family needs.
And no, no. Medicine. If the kid is not feeling well.
I I can ask to my employer first, ma'am,
Mm.
and I can check the temperature, and also I can give medicine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I see. Can you cook Chinese food?
I don't know, mama, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am. I'm a fast learner.
Okay. How about baking?
Ma'am?
How about baking?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to bake a simple bake, ma'am.
Like for example,
Cookies, ma'am,
cookies and then
and fun cake. That's
oh,
it,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I see. Do you have your own dog and cat?
Yes, ma'am. I have four cats and one dog, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.